Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Volt key fob here. It works for these models 2016, 2019, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right here on this side. When you turn the fob like this, you see this small button. Now you need to press this button, and this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key out, and when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, right on this side, right here, you see this small hole. Now take the mechanical key, and with the tip, insert the tip right here of the mechanical key, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. So you need to remove the back cover over here. Now when you separate the fob into two pieces, right after that, here on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver or the mechanical key, and with the tip here, insert only the tip, just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here, when you install the new battery like this, it's very important here, make sure this side is the negative side that facing you. So this here is the negative side, and now when you insert the battery, take these two pieces again, make sure all corners here match perfectly, and just snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.